I'm gonna have porridge with a little bit of syrup, a little bit of milk, loads of water, and a tiny little bit of coconut milk for a little bit of sweetness. Tilt that over. See it? I'm eating porridge in a big bowl because I'm hoping that I don't get too hungry. But yeah, this is day one eating porridge. It's not bad. I've made enough for day 2 and day 3. So for the first 3 days I'm gonna have porridge. It's not too bad. And the coconut milk adds a bit of flavor to it, but I fear I've made actually too much. But I feel like when I make the soup it's gonna be less, so maybe that's a good tactic. More porridge, less soup. Really delighted, and I'm so happy I picked up the peaches because it feels like a bit of a bonus. I do, out the back, what I have growing is mint, but I can't have that because you can't take out from your store cupboard or your house. Wow. I tell you one thing, I'd be begging. If I was living on €10 a week, there'd be no shame in begging. There's no shame in yellow stickers. There's no shame in, there wouldn't be any shame in getting the specials every week. Living off them, that would be it. But the fact that I can't, I'm like, oh. But anyway, let's go. Oh, this is day 1. Porridge in the morning, butternut squash soup. Let me just turn that off. Butternut squash soup, and I'm gonna have a pasta with veg. I'll show you this. And then the kids are gonna have sandwich and a pork stir fry. Honest to God, I have to watch this. Sorry, I just had to take a tea break. There you go. There's the water. Lovely. Let me just go back. Okay, guys. So you can see this is where we're going here. So I thought this one was going to be absolutely gorgeous, but it turned out to be not the nicest. I did not like that pasta sauce at all. I don't normally buy pasta sauces, and if I do, I'd buy a decent one, and I just didn't like the taste. It tasted like, I don't know, plastic or something. I don't know. But I've had pasta tuna. I've been there. But it just shows what the difference is when you don't put your flavorings and spicing in. I did eat it, but I did not enjoy it at all. Not at all. I mixed this one with pasta, and then I took some of the sauce away and mixed it with rice. I'll show you later on. So guys, I filmed this and I was trying to show you how I did it, but my phone overheated and everything crashed. So what this is oat flour that I made myself. I whizzed it up. Then it is bananas. It is, what else did I put in there? Oat flours and bananas with a drop of coconut milk and water. And then I made these, and an egg, and I made these little pancakes from it. And I just have to put in a little bit of the syrup from the peaches that I got on it. So yeah, that's breakfast for day 2. I'm kind of down in Ellie's today. Say hello. Drinking our bloody cup of tea. And this is my lunch. Look how nice. It's like a bit of the soup, and then I have the pasta in there with the mixed veg. Okay guys, so what is bubbling away? I have my mixed veg, a stock cube, and I have some water in there, and I'm just hoping that it could reduce down so it could add a bit of flavor. I really wanted to reduce down to nearly nothing, a little bit. And then my rice that's there cooking over there, and that's gonna be like, I have no oil. Oh my god. And I heard Ellie got Super 6s. I didn't realize you could get Super 6s. I am actually gonna cry. I'm not even joking, but you can see it's getting nice and flavoursome. I'm actually gonna be sick of vegetable stock cube by the end of the week. But I don't think this is gonna be a bad one tonight. I love all things rice. So lunch wasn't too bad. And breakfast was hard, but we went through it. We had it, and life was good. I'm sick that my phone died or got overheated last night, but I have 2 eggs left. I'm gonna have 1 tonight, and that's gonna carry my fried rice. Remember, I made a little tuna mix with the sauce that I have, so if worse comes to worse, I might even add a bit of tomato sauce in here, of the jarred sauce I have, because I was leaving that aside. I was like, if worse comes to worse, I'm just gonna have tomato and sauce and rice. That's not bad. I'm gonna put a little bit more rice in there. I hope I'm not using my stock cubes too frivolously, so. Guys, you wanna know what privilege is? Privilege is not have to worry about where you're gonna buy spices. Not having to worry about having rice at home. This task, it was harder than I thought. It's experiment. It was harder than I thought. I realized how much I have. If I'm stuck in the good after my mom, I call a friend. If I'm stuck, I always have eggs. I always have, my freezer is full. My cupboards are full. Even when I was when I was really broke, I had enough. I always had enough to make do. I could always stretch a meal because I had the ingredients. I wonder how many people actually realize how privileged they are. Like, imagine. Choices like, you know what? I only eat free-range egg or free-range chicken. If you're living on €10 a week, you'd be lucky to eat chicken. You know? Can't get over it, guys. Cannot get over it. So this is just the tuna and the tomato sauce mixture with a bit of onion in there, and I am literally just gonna stir this through and have it. I tell you one thing, guys, one thing I appreciate is flavor, and I love my simple cooking from scratch because I just feel like at least I know what I'm eating. I'm eating good food, good quality food, and I don't think because you're on a budget or frugal that, you know, you should just be eating just anything. And I just can't wait to go back to cooking with spices. In saying that, I've been drinking a lot more water, and I feel like it's been a reset for my taste buds as well.